Alright, here's my review of the full, like the final release version of JBSourcery. You should know them from ICSourcery. They're the sorcery team. Let's click start. Right off the bat, you're greeted with, do you have a Google account? I do, but I'm not going to sign into them right now. Let's skip this. Let's skip these. And finish. Sorry, I had a new message. Right off the bat, they're using Nova Launcher, I believe. Nope, Apex. I didn't read that. I knew it wasn't the stock one though. Let's go into the app drawer. So you have Super SU instead of Super User. Some of you ask what comes with it. So let's jump right into settings. Let's go to About Phone. Galaxy Nexus 4.1.1. JBSourcery version 1.0 official. So this is their official build. Let's jump into JBSourcery Control Center. Looks a lot like ROM control for AOKP. You also have like where you can toggle the brightness. Turn it up a little bit. Or not. Alright, let's go to battery. You can choose the icon style. You can turn on battery mods. I wonder what that is. Oh, that's pretty cool. So turn on that, just means the center clock. Let's go to clock. You can, so I mean this is, so far this is exactly like AOKP. Which I don't mind because I really like the center clock where it has the day and everything. I think that's really awesome. Magic UI. Boot animation, rotation. You can disable that. You can show notification count, enable volume panel. This ROM has 180 degree rotation though, and AOKP does not. So that's one big plus for this ROM that's over AOKP. And also you can show the IMI switcher. That's your keyboard switcher, in case you're wondering. Let's go to navigation bar. You can choose 1 through 5, just like AOKP. I wonder if you can. They don't have any custom on the screenshots on their website. They have the awesome looking blue ones at the bottom. Kind of sucks that they don't include that. It'd be awesome if they did. Let's go to toggles. Enable toggles. I was just showing you guys that you can choose all of these toggles. My favorite toggle is the torch. This also has the data, NFC, fast charge, USB tether. I'm going to turn all these on. And then you see up there, it comes with, change the toggles to this one. Sorry, let me clear out this message real quick. Alright, and then see, these are your toggles. You just flip back and forth between them. You can change the colors when they're enabled and also when they're disabled. Let's go down to lock screen options. I'm waiting for AOKP and this one to have like custom lock screen targets. That build was on, that mod was on Cyanogen Mod 10, but it hasn't made its way to AOKP yet. You can have a custom lock screen wallpaper, menu unlock, lock screen battery percentage, quick pen, and show lock screen. Let's go to lock screen weather. Let's turn on weather. Metric units is Celsius. A lot of people are wondering how to put it in Fahrenheit on a few ROMs because metric comes checked on a lot of ROMs, so it's already in Celsius, but you want it in Fahrenheit, just uncheck metric units. And the refresh interval, I always change it to like a few hours because you don't really need your weather to update that much. You can choose how long the blink duration is off for your LED light. I'm going to choose 6 seconds. So it blinks every 6 seconds for 1 second. You can also change the color. Set it to the default. Now let's go back. Let's try JBSourcery tools. Let's grant them super user permissions. MyUI Root Explorer does a lot So they used a MyUI. What? Okay, so lock screen glow dots. So there's a few mods for this. That's pretty cool. So this includes a lot of mods, I'm assuming. Yeah, my data connection sucks right now. So you can choose custom icons for soft keys. That must be where the blue ones were located, is in this build, like as in these mods. You can also change the custom status bar icons, miscellaneous. Let's go over to mods. Lock screen glow dots. You can probably change the colors and stuff like that. Custom boot animations, kernels, device manager. We have app manager, extra apps, push notifications, ROM updates, root explorer. You have custom themes, and wow, so a lot. You have a lot of awesome tools in here. Under the tweaks, you can block ads, cache cleaner, fix permissions, swipe battery stats, zipline applications, kernel tweaks. Wow. Just look at all these custom mods that you have. Like, that is a lot. And then also you have your JBSourcery credits for Team Sorcery. So, wow. You have a lot. And then you can also get to it from here in your application drawer. So a few apps that's included that is not in a few other builds is DevTools and File Explorer, and also Apollo Music. So this is probably based off of Signage in Mod 10. Actually, let's go and check the kernel real quick. Alright, so I'm not seeing where it is, but I'm pretty sure this is based off of Signage in Mod 10. And also it includes DSP Manager, which is working. So my first impression of this ROM is, wow. There's just so much you can do with this ROM. It has all the awesomeness of AOKP mixed with their own toolkit, as you've seen. And it's just, I really recommend you flashing this ROM. I'm going to show you guys how to flash it. Let's reboot into recovery. I'm going to show you guys how to flash it. Once you're in recovery, you just have to go down to wipe data factory reset, hit yes, then go down to wipe cache, hit yes, go down to advanced, go to wipe Dalvik cache, and then click yes on that. I mean, it's pretty simple. So like I said, just go to wipe data factory reset, then wipe cache, then advanced, and then wipe Dalvik. Then you're going to go to install zip, and you're going to find it, and then you're going to click yes to install, and then you're going to flash the 726 G apps. Make sure to flash the G apps after you flash your ROM if you want. Well, that's cool looking. If you want like the Play Store, Gmail, stuff like that. So there went the ice cream sandwich like character, and it was replaced with a jelly bean. That's a pretty awesome boot animation. So that's pretty much it for the JBSourcery ROM. I highly recommend you flash this ROM. I mean, because it's just so much tweaks. But anyways, that was my review of JBSourcery version 1.0 final.